Hi, in this video I will show how to use application to create emails from Excel. On my computer you can see I have Excel file. It's not Excel per se, it's free version of Excel. I don't have like original Excel, but it's application Excel mobile that shows what is inside of Excel file that I have. And inside I have some 11 records with first name, last name, email. I'm gonna use this um, information to create 11 emails into Windows Mail. So first I will make sure that I have Windows Mail installed as default application. So to do this I will click on settings, click on Windows search, type settings. I'll go to settings and click on default apps, and in mail section I will make sure that mail is selected. And yeah, basically that's it. Also I need to close Excel. If I have Excel address XLS open into Excel, I need to close it. Next step, I will download application from this website. I will leave link on the site into description. I click on search and type emails, and I need this page, and I will click on create emails from Excel and click on download. I will be recording more videos on how to create emails from different sources, CSV, Word tables, or Excel files like this one. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on the MSI inside archive, and click more info here. I'm getting the screens because I'm not unregistered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And now I can close this, and this, and you can see I have a new application, create email from Excel, installed on my computer. I'll double click on it. So now first I have to make sure that my Excel file is not open into any application, especially Excel, because Excel is actively locking any files that it works with, so no other application can access it. So if I will, for example, I will have Excel file open into Excel and then try to run it in this application, this app will return error that it cannot access file because it's open in Excel. So I would close file in Excel first and then launch this application and add file. So creating emails is a 3 steps process. In step 1, we'll select input files. I'll click on this button, navigate to my addresses XLS, click on open. I can add more Excel files as soon as they have the same structure. As soon as they have same columns, same column names, I can add more Excel file. So click on next step. Here, if first row of the input has column names, input file has column names, it is like you saw on in my Excel, first row is a column name. So I'll keep it checked, and I have to select email column, which is email. In your Excel file, it may be different. It's okay. It's no problem as soon as it contains emails. And here I can select subject column, or I can click on subject text. And here I can type like subject, or I can do better. I can click on this create email template button, and it will list all columns from my Excel. So now I can create template like subject will be hi first name, and body can be hi first name last name, and then I can say this email for post name was created by the app. And I can say thank you, and that's it. And on next step, I can use all columns or I can use a couple of them. It doesn't matter, as soon as all columns enclosed with this percentage sign. Click on next step, and on final step I'll click run to create emails. And you will see it creating all emails in drafts. There are 11 of them as amount of emails in Excel file. However, the only one problem to send email, we have to click send on every email. So if we have 11 email, we have made 11 clicks, but it's much more easier than write and use like write fields and use the right emails. So we just click 11 times, send, and that's it. So yeah, basically that's it for the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. And if you like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.